What's up, people? This your boy Mike Lana from Hot Lana, and we over here just chilling like a straight villain. I'm telling you, I gotta do something with this hair. I'm growing it out, getting them dreads, all of that good stuff. York, PA. Man, it was tough driving over here. These streets are like that small, and you gotta fit 53-foot trailer and make your right turns for those. It's kind of like driving in New York, but these streets are insane. I didn't think I was gonna make it at first, but I made it. I made it, and yeah, and I think it's my time to go in. Over here picking up some cat food, I think. That's what I saw when I was in there. It's called American Coiled, but I'm thinking I'm picking up some metal or something. Picking up, and all I saw was cat food. But I'm gonna try to get some footage of me getting out of here. Cause that should be interesting. I hope it's not gonna be hard. I just wanna make it to the highway and get up and keep going. We have to exit through this tight street over here behind me, but York, PA, first time loading in this area, and I was just told by a gentleman that delivers around here a lot. He said it's the worst over here because this is the historic side, which it is historic. I mean, you could tell by the buildings, they are so close with each other. Old school, like you could tell these roads used to be dirt and horses and carriages, but everything is so tight and together. There's not enough room to even put a tree up, but it's crazy. This guy's coming out. I don't know what he's about to do. Hold on. So yeah, this guy, he has to back up to get that way, which I don't know how he's gonna do that. It should be interesting right here because it's not enough room in the front to really turn. Look like he's getting it. I think he scraped the wall the first time, but man, either they need to find another location or oh no. Somebody helping him out. So he's good. So it looks like he made it. So this guy's coming out while this guy's trying to go in. And I hope he knows he's gonna have to do a blind side to get out. So he can get in. Hopefully I'm next. It's tough out here, boy. Tough out here. I'm trying to figure out. Zoom in on this thing. Alright, so the docks is over there. My window sucks. Got a bird. So the dock's right there. You gotta pull up in here, and then you pull up over there somewhere, over there. That's my finger's at. Excuse my fingernail. And I guess you gotta go out this way, but I'm about to see how he does this. I guess you gotta blindside your way out, and then come in this thing. Tight spots, boy. Alright, so I done backed up in here. Inside this old warehouse. This is from like 1922. This warehouse is from back when they was building cars and trains, and when metal was big and they was creating metal and stuff. So I'm up in here. Just gotta wait to get loaded, baby.